All right, welcome back all my crypto enthusiasts to this crypto and blockchain updates. I'm Santosh Surendran, Director Analytics, Balamount Analytica Incorporated. Crypto data shown in this video is based on Saturday, 13th November 2021. Mobile phone viewers try to view this video in landscape mode for better data readability. We select only currencies with a market cap that has an impact on the market. Let's start the update with the highlights of the day. Price statistic, top 3 currencies, top gainer and loser, Indian crypto news. Let's proceed with the first session of this update. Price statistics, top 3 currencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum and Binance Coin are the top currencies. Let's see the detailed statistic. Prices: Bitcoin 64,025.81 US dollars, Ethereum 4,644.17 US dollars, Binance 623.84 US dollars. Market dominance: Bitcoin 43.15%, Ethereum 19.65%, Binance 3.72%. Market cap: Bitcoin 1.21 trillion US dollars. Also see this in comparison with Apple Incorporated's market cap of 2.461 trillion US dollars. Ethereum 551.09 billion US dollars. Binance 104.30 billion US dollars. Trading volume: Bitcoin 37.22 billion US dollars. Also see this in comparison with Apple Incorporated's trading volume of 147.87 million US dollars. Ethereum 18.68 billion US dollars. Binance 2.23 billion US dollars. Let's proceed to the next session of the update. Top gainer and loser. Top gainer: Algorand is the top gainer with a 6.02% increase in the previous day. Price 2.15 US dollars. Market dominance 0.46%. Top loser: Shiba Inu is the top loser with a 6.30% decrease in the previous day. Price 0.00005201 US dollars. Market dominance 1.02%. Let's proceed to the last session of this update, Indian crypto news. As per the Economic Times report on 7th November 2021, Indian investments in cryptocurrency hit 10 billion this week. Indian crypto exchanges record their biggest investment levels ever, not only in terms of the number of investors but also in the sum invested. According to Crypto Research and Intelligence Business, CREBSEO, Indian crypto investments have increased to over 10 billion from 923 million in April 2020, as crypto markets touched all-time highs. My opinion on this news: the actual value and number of investors are much bigger, as this data shows based on exchanges operated from India. In India, growth rate of crypto trade, investment and technology developments are the biggest in the world at present. Disclaimer: read full disclaimer document carefully before making investment decisions. Courtesy data coinmarketcap.com and finance.yahoo.com. Video footages ydc.com. Follow Balamount Analytica Incorporated for updates on cryptocurrency and blockchain. That's all in this update. Have a great time ahead.